If your hair feels dry right after wash day, this isn't a product problem, it's a moisture problem. In this video, I'm showing you how to make this creamy hibiscus leave-in conditioner that actually hydrates the hair, improves sleep, and help reduce breakage. This hibiscus leave-in conditioner will leave your hair feeling soft and moisturized until your next wash day. I'll also show you how to apply this leave-in conditioner to your hair. And guys, we're using a new ingredient today, so this is a learning video, so let's get into it. We're using 1.5 cup of distilled water. We're using distilled water because this is a leave-in conditioner and the tap water have a whole bunch of stuff that would not help us with preservation and with shelf life. And we're also adding 2 tablespoons of hibiscus. Helps to soften our hair, improve elasticity, and add shine. We're adding 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Helps to keep scalp balance, support healthy hair growth, add strength to our leave-in. And we're adding 1 teaspoon of chamomile tea. This calms the scalp, helps soothe irritation and softness and manageability. We add 4 bay leaves, helps with scalp clarity, support stronger feeling hair, add herbal strength to our formula. So we're going to cover it and we're going to let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is 14 minutes later. As you can see, our herbal tea is ready for use. We're going to take it off the fire and we're going to strain it. And yes, I'm using double strainers today because the rosemary leaf and the hibiscus leaf, it's a little bit fine, so that's why I'm using my double strainer. And I also didn't want to stain up any more of my cheesecloth because hibiscus, it stains, and then when you're washing out your cheesecloth, then yeah, you got to deal with all the stains. So now that we're done straining our herbal tea, this is how it's looking. And now we're moving on to our butters and our oils. We're using 1/4 cup of shea butter. This seals moisture, softens dry hair, helps protect end and reduce frizz. We'll also be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add softness and shine, help strengthen the hair, support moisture retention. And we'll also be adding 2 tablespoons of my hibiscus hair oil. If you want to see how I make this hair oil, I'll link the video here, or you can find it in the description box. All of the measurements, it will be in the description box also. And guys, this is our new ingredient. I'm introducing BTMS 50. Guys, this is my very first time using this wax, and yeah, I'm very new, so we're going to learn today together while using this wax. And also I'm going to show you all of the mistakes that I will be making while making this leave-in conditioner and using this wax for the very first time. So now we're going to start blending. So now that our butters are finished melting and our oils and butters and tea is at the same temperature, I'm slowly pouring my herbal tea over into my oil and butter mixture with the BTMS wax inside of it. And as you can see, I'm using an emulsion blender and I am blending it. And guys, you want to make sure that both the oil and the tea is the same temperature. One shouldn't be hotter than the other, one shouldn't be cooler than the other, the same temperature. So this is me, and I'm continuing mixing. And this is where I'm getting a little bit like, why isn't it coming in thick as yet? Because guys, seriously, when you're watching, while I was doing my research and then I was also watching YouTube videos, I would see that they would be mixing and then it would come in thick. So this was kind of what I was expecting, and this is where the lesson began for me. So I see that this cup that I was mixing in, it was a little bit too much, so I decided to pour it over into a bowl. And this is me checking it again, and you can see, guys, it's looking a little bit lumpy, not what I wanted, and I was still worried. But at this point I decided that I will add in my 3 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin attracts moisture to the hair, helps keep hair hydrated longer, and improves softness. Emulsifying wax, it binds oil and water together, create a smooth and creamy texture, and helps even product distribution. So guys, now that I add my vegetable glycerin, I am giving it a stir again. And guys, look at the spatula. You can see the product on the spatula is different than the product in the bowl. So of course I'm here and I'm kind of freaking out, and I'm like, what is going on? Did I just ruin my leave-in conditioner? All of these products that I just used, did I just ruin it? And I decided to go back in again with my emulsion blender to see if it's going to thicken up. But while I was making this, the lesson that I learned is that I started it too hot. I was supposed to let the mixture, the herbal mixture and the butters and oil cool down a little bit before I start blending it together. That is what I think. I mean, if you know the mistake that I made from the beginning and you can help me out, I would appreciate it if you can leave it in the comment section below and let me know what it was that I was supposed to do. So at this point I decided, you know what, let's just move on with it. So I add my lavender essential oils. Guys, you can add any essential oils of your choice that you choose to use. I add 12 drops of my lavender essential oils inside of my leave-in, but you can add up to 20 drops of the essential oils. And guys, this is where I decide to go in with a wicks. And yes, my hibiscus leave-in conditioner is finally cooling down now, so it's looking up, guys. It's coming in, look at it. Finally, what we've been waiting for, it's happening. It's finally beginning to look like a leave-in conditioner. And at this point I really wanted to like give a victory dance, but in my mind I was like, yes, yes, I did not waste my product. It's it's looking like a leave-in conditioner now. So I just decided, let me just give it a good whisk some more, and this is exactly what I'm doing right now. And then after this I went in. Now that I see that it's coming in like a leave-in conditioner, look at this, guys. You can see the thickness is coming in. It's not there, but it's almost there. Guys, let me know in the comment section below if you'll be making this leave-in conditioner, or if you've ever made this hibiscus leave-in conditioner, and how did it turn out. And also, throughout the process while you're making this leave-in conditioner, if there's any question that you want to ask, you can leave it in the comment section and I will answer your question as much as I can, because as I said, we're learning in this video today. And when you're learning, you will also be making mistakes, because we're human and it's okay for us to make mistakes. It's what you do after you make the mistakes that make or break you, but we're learning. So at this point I decided to add my preservative. I add 3/4 of my preservative, and I'm using Dremel Plus, so I use 3/4 of it. If you don't have a 3/4 measuring spoon, then you can just use a quart measuring spoon 3 times, and that will give you 3/4. So this is the result, guys. So if this wasn't like a learning video today, if I wasn't being honest with you guys and taking you along the journey of me making this hibiscus and fresh aloe vera leave-in conditioner, this is what I would be showing you. It would move from blending it to this point and the process and along the way, and the you guys wouldn't have seen it. This would have been it for the video, but I just wanted to take you guys along with me so that we can do it all together because we're family. So now I'm just pouring it over into the container that I'll be storing my hibiscus leave-in conditioner in. And I am happy with this because it's my first time, but at the same time I know it needs some improvement, so I'll be improving it. And in my next clip I will show you how I apply this leave-in conditioner to my hair. And sorry, I had to fast forward it, I had to speed it up because the video was getting a little bit lengthy, so I use like a good amount in my for one section, and then I make sure that I spray my hair. This is freshly washed hair, and I spray my hair with my hibiscus winter elixir. This leave-in add moisture, but the biggest moisture loss actually happens before shampooing. In the next video, I'll show you my hibiscus triple with flaxseed that protects the hair, reduce breakage, and makes detangling easier on wash day. Watch that next so your moisture doesn't get washed away.